Update the Shopify app. Open the Play Store on your mobile device, search for Shopify, check if an update is available. If so, tap update to install the latest version. So next, check your internet connection. Go to your phone settings and tap on connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If needed, turn off Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Also enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then disable it to refresh your network. So for that step 3, clear Shopify app cache and data. Still in settings, go to apps and find Shopify. Tap on storage, tap clear cache, then tap clear data. Step 4, check for software updates. Go back to settings, then tap on software update. If an update is available, tap download and install to get the latest version of your device's software. So lastly, step 5, restart your device. Restart your phone to apply all the changes. After rebooting, open the Shopify app again and check if you're now receiving the authentication code properly. And that's it.